So I'm pretty sure that my bees did not make it through the year. Checked on them several times during 50-degree plus days, and yet that's clearly honeybees coming in and going out. So yeah, right on. Good morning. Welcome to Willow, Brook, Apiary and Homestead. It is the end of March. Time to go ahead and take a peek into my beehive. Now I have to admit, I looked several weeks ago. We had a couple of 50-degree days in 1 week, and I checked, and it did seem like the bees may have starved. And then the following week we had a couple of 50-degree days with no bees flying around, and I looked again and pulled a frame out, and I thought, yeah, these bees are definitely dead. But then yesterday it hit 65 and there were bees flying in and out of the entrance, which got me really excited. I thought I had seen a bee flying around, a honeybee flying around my wife's head, and I thought that could be one of mine. I came out and checked, and they were flying in and out, but I didn't go in and look. So they could be my bees, but I do have a bee tree over in the woods, one of the big pine trees, that's up too high for me to feel comfortable going up and trying to trap them out. So it could also be just bees from down there flying here to take whatever resources are left. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, take a look inside, and if in fact it is my bees, there's nothing flowering yet. So I am going to add the hive top feeder on and start giving them a little sugar water, which I don't like to do. Before I bring you over and get down into the hive look while we're doing this, if you haven't yet, click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you're getting all of our latest updates as they come. Yeah, no. I do think that we were dealing with some other honeybees coming in. So instead, this will be an autopsy of the beehive. I'll go ahead and do a sugar shake and see if there were any varroa mites in here. Did not a sugar shake, an alcohol wash. And I did do an alcohol wash before we went into winter. There is a small hive beetle. There's a little bit of crystallizing honey and some capped. Very, very small amount. So it appears that they moved to the top of the hive, leaving behind their supplies. That could be signs of noxema. There's a lot of it there. So if they starved with resources available still. Which is always a pity. And there are bees in every level, so they didn't really cluster very well. Got bands of capped honey still. Not an awful lot, but a little bit here and there. Pretty decent band of honey. Nearly half a frame of honey. Like I say that because the other side's almost empty. Willow Brook Apiary and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.